All right, you're going to see that there are different ways to solve when you have a 3x3 system of equations. And what do I mean by 3x3? You have 3 variables and 3 equations. One way you can do this is try elimination by eliminating some variables. And what I look at is I see if I multiplied this first equation by -2, that the x's would cancel. And actually, so nicely, the z's are going to cancel. So over here, I'm going to have -2x minus 2y minus 2z. And don't forget to multiply here. A negative and a negative will give me a positive 24. Now I'm just going to move this equation under it. Plus 4y plus 2z equals -34. I can see the x's cancel, the z's cancel, and so I end up with 4y minus 2y, which is 2y, and this is what, -10, and dividing both sides by 2, I at least have one of my variables solved for. So now what I do is I look at these two equations. And I can see if I take this equation and multiply it by 2, that will cancel out my x's. So my first, that equation 2z equals -34. Now I'm going to multiply everything by 2. So that's going to be plus 14y and minus 6z. And then minus 52. Now you can see the x's cancel, so I get 18y minus 4z equals -86. Well, don't we know what y is? So I could plug in y minus 4z equals -86, and I get -90 minus 4z equals -86. -4z, add the 90 to this side, so is 4. So dividing by -4, I get z is -1. Now I can go back to this first equation, which is x plus y plus z equals -12. I know what y is, and I know what z is. And so now I can simply solve this. X minus 6, -12, add 6 to both sides, and I get -6. So therefore, my x, y, z answer, -6, -5, and -1.